Topic 5-2, linear equations in the form of y equals mx. Writing linear equations from graphs. The graph shows the distance d of a car travels in time t at a constant speed r. So here we have a graph, the distance traveled by a car. Notice we have time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 representing the horizontal x-axis. Time is the number of hours. Distance, we see 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Distance is represented by miles. Okay? So, what is the constant speed of the car? So, what we want to do is we need to look at how fast the car is driving per hour. All right, so when I look here, in 1 hour, the speed is 30 miles per hour. So at this point, in 1 hour, 30 miles. We have traveled 30 miles. So therefore, A part, when it asks us what is the constant speed of the car is traveling at a constant speed of 30 miles per hour. 30 miles per hour. All right. B. How far will the car travel in 2 hours? So looking at our table or our chart or our graph, in 2 hours, go up to the line. Where does it touch? Here for 2. Go over to your axis at 60. So in 2 hours, we are traveling 60 miles. So when it says how far will the car travel in 2 hours, it will travel 60 miles in 2 hours. The car will travel in 2 hours 60 miles. C part. How long will it take the car to travel 120 miles? How long will it take the car to travel 120 miles? So what we need to do is go up on our table to 120 miles, go over to our line. There's the point that represents traveling 120 miles. How many hours did it take to travel 120 miles? 4 hours. So C is 4 hours. And then D. Write an equation D equals RT form to model the situation shown. Distance equals rate times time. So here we have distance is equal to what rate are we traveling? What rate are we traveling? Well, your rate is the rate that you travel per hour. So what were we traveling in 1 hour? 30 miles. So your distance is equal to 30t. So what I want us to do is go back and just label these points. The name of this, let me make sure you can see that. Distance is equal to 30t. We're traveling 30 miles per hour. I'm going to go back and look at the graph, and I'm going to write the points that I find. This point is 0, 0. This point, 1:30. And this is time compared to distance. Time compared to distance. So 0, 0, 1:30, the name of this point. 260, the name of this point. 390, the name of this point. 4 up 120, and this, we could put more points. We could put the point 5, 150 also. But by labeling these points, we could answer the questions This point represented 30 miles per hour. That is the rate. In 2 hours, we traveled 60. How long did it take for us to travel 120 miles? We went over 120. We went down 4. It took us 4 hours to travel 120 miles.